In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove stains in Photoshop quickly and professionally using the right retouching tools. Whether you're fixing skin blemishes, dust spots, clothing stains, or marks on a background, Photoshop makes the process incredibly simple once you know which tool to use. I'll walk you step by step through the fastest method and then show you a more controlled technique for tougher areas. Make sure to watch until the end so you know which method works best in different situations. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your image in Adobe Photoshop. You can do that by going to File, then Open, and selecting your image. Once your image is loaded, zoom in to the area where the stain or blemish is located. You can zoom in by pressing Ctrl and the plus key on Windows or Command and the plus key on Mac. This helps you work more precisely. The fastest and most common way to remove stains is by using the Spot Healing Brush tool. You can find it in the toolbar on the left side. If you don't see it immediately, it may be nested under the Healing Brush tool. The shortcut key is J, so you can simply press J on your keyboard to activate it. Once selected, go to the top options bar and make sure the mode is set to Content Aware. This is very important because Content Aware allows Photoshop to automatically sample nearby pixels and intelligently blend them to cover the stain. Next, adjust your brush size. You want the brush to be slightly larger than the stain you're trying to remove. You can resize the brush quickly using the bracket keys on your keyboard. The left bracket makes it smaller and the right bracket makes it larger. Now simply click on the stain if it's small or gently paint over it if it's slightly larger. As soon as you release your mouse, Photoshop will analyze the surrounding area and blend the pixels naturally. In most cases, the stain will disappear instantly. This method works best for small blemishes, skin spots, dust marks, and minor stains on clothing or simple backgrounds. It's quick, automatic, and perfect for cleanups that don't require detailed control. However, sometimes you'll run into a larger stain or a complex area where the automatic result doesn't look quite right. That's where the Healing Brush tool comes in. To use this method, select the Healing Brush tool from the toolbar. Again, you can press J and then choose the correct tool from the flyout menu if needed. The main difference here is that you manually choose the area Photoshop samples from. Hold down Alt on Windows or Option on Mac, then click on a clean area near the stain. Try to choose an area with similar texture and lighting. After sampling, release the Alt or Option key and paint over the stain. Photoshop will copy the texture from your sampled area, but automatically blend the lighting and color so it matches the surrounding pixels. This gives you much more control and works especially well for larger stains, wrinkles in clothing, uneven textures, or areas near edges where precision matters. If needed, you can resample multiple times to ensure the texture looks natural. Take your time and use small strokes for the best results. And that's it. Removing stains in Photoshop is really that simple once you understand the difference between the Spot Healing Brush tool for fast fixes and the Healing Brush tool for more controlled corrections. Practice on different types of images, and you'll quickly get a feel for which tool to use in each situation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.